couple
put
more
this
minutes.
on, and then did you put more cheese on top?
The mozzarella is underneath. After we did your drizzle with the olive oil, you did for 10 minutes. Then you put the mozzarella on top, and then the bruschetta. And you could do fresh tomatoes too. You know, if you guys have access, you do that. Warm it up again.
I want
A lot
him
of
to
people
grow some.
Yeah,
Just excited.
once I get we got settled in, I'm gonna just start hooking up that going now.
And it doesn't have to be hot. You know, a lot of people just have cold bruschetta.
Yeah.
So what a great Thanksgiving. Look at you. There's Dano doing the hors d'oeuvres. We're at Susan's place. Yeah.
Hi.
Say happy Thanksgiving. We're at Susan's place. We just come down from the mountains from the Sanders and thoroughly enjoyed ourselves there. And now we're lucky enough to be in Susan's house, which is, it's like coming to Hobbitland. She actually lives on Fellowship Street, or was it Drive? Anyway, Fellowship Road, and her house is like a little hobbit's house. It's so beautiful. And hopefully the sun will come out and we go for a walk at 4 after our wonderful Thanksgiving. So, bye-bye for now.
Bye for now.
Hi, there's Susan.
You squeak people over.
Yeah, there's Susan. This is her lovely little house. It's a beautiful house, actually. I love it. It's just like coming to
But it's
Hobbitland
tiny.
on
It's
Fellowship
tiny,
Road.
tiny.
Not really, though. It doesn't. Well, what do you need it any bigger for?
Not for me, I don't.
It's so beautiful.
It's good for water.
I love it. And I mean, look at this. It's so cute. Look at this house. Look at how cute. I told you. It's like little Hobbitland. I love it. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is your little office. Wow. Isn't it cute, Maxwell? Don't you like it here? I knew you would. And of course, it's Donna Rose's birthday too. Oh, wow. This is such a cute place. So let's, 1, 2, 3. For Sunday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Idonna Rose. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Woo! Oh, where are those, Arthur, go get the cupcakes. Just have them anyway. And we'll put them back.
Okay, here we go. Here's the candle.
Oh, yeah, just, oh, yeah, but, oh, you've got that candle. There's another one that says over the hill. Where is it?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're not. No, you're not.
Say hello, Ben.
Happy birthday.
This is Matthew's cousin, right? Matthew's cousin. Oh, look at this. And there are those cupcakes. It's your favorite secret icing.
Okay. And the 1, and the 2.
Yay! Congratulations, Idonna Rose. You made it off our medical insurance.
No, I still got a month.
Oh, really? Oh, my God. 26 it is in the United States. Anyway, happy birthday, sweetheart. We love you. And thank you to Susan for giving us this wonderful Thanksgiving. Happy birthday to Idonna Rose, 1st of December. Hey, Dan. Woo! Look at this. This is such a great place. I love it. Wow. You grew up here? It's so nice. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye till we're at the table.